Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Huawei smartphone to your Realme 6 Pro, for the first you have to go for the Play Store. On the Realme, tap on the search pool and type here CLONEit. This is the application that we are going to use. It's really easy to use, it's totally free, you don't have to pay for it. If you get it, click on the open on the both devices. Click sender on the Huawei and receiver on the Realme. Click search again. And right now click here, and we have two ways to connect. We can scan the QR code, but also we can input the password manually. So pick your way. I'm going to scan the code. Accept the request. And right now, if you want to take everything, just select all of these icons and click on the start. But if you want to get only some details, you have to click here. And I will show you how to do this on the music. So select two files, click start, OK, and it's finished. As you can see, it's very fast and really easy. I hope that'll help you guys. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!